Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Rizky Prayoga. I am studying at Stera Romangun. In this video, I will discuss about violence against children and solution to overcome violence against children. Violence against children is an act or physical, sexual, emotional abuse or neglect of children. Child molestation as any act or series of acts of guardianship or promotion by a parent or other caregiver that result in harm, on potential harm, or process a harmful threat to the child. Most violence against children occurs in the child's own home, with a smaller number occurring at school, in the environment or organization where the child interacts. There are four main categories of violence against children. 1. Neglect. 2. Physical abuse. 3. Emotional or physical abuse. And 4. Child sexual abuse. Violence against children can take several forms. The four main typical are physical, sexual, psychological, and neglect. The first is child neglect, is where a responsible adult fails to provide adequately for a variety of needs, including physical failure to provide adequate food, clothing, or hygiene, emotional failure to provide nurturing or affection, educational failure to enroll the child in school, or medical failure to treat the child or take the child to the doctor. The second is physical violence, is physical aggression directed at a child by an adult. This can involve punching, hitting, kicking, pushing, slapping, burning, bruising, pulling ears of hair, stabbing, cooking, or shaking a child. The third is child sexual abuse, is a form of child abuse in which an adult or an older teenager abuses a child for sexual stimulation. Forms of child sexual abuse include soliciting or pressuring a child to engage in sexual activity, or regardless of the outcome, indecent exposure of the genitals to a child, actual sexual contact with a child, physical contact with a child's genitals, viewing of the genitals children without physical contact, or using children to produce child pornography. Next, emotional or psychological violence. Emotional psychological violence of all the possible forms of abuse. Emotional abuse is the most difficult to define. That can include nicknames, ridicule, degradation, destruction of property, abuse or destruction of pets, excessive criticism, inappropriate or excessive demands, disconnection of communication, and colloquial labeling or insults. Victims of emotional abuse may react by distancing themselves from the abuser, internalizing harsh words, or by insulting the abuser back. Emotional abuse can result in abnormal or disturbed affection disorders, a tendency for victims to blame themselves or self-blame for the abuse, learn to be helpless and be overly passive. Reason: violence against children is a complex phenomenon with various causes. Understanding the cause of violence is very important to address the problem of violence against children. The effect: there is a strong association between exposure to child abuse in all its forms and higher rates of chronic condition. Children who are physically abused are more likely to receive fractures, especially rib fractures, and may have a higher risk of developing cancer. There are several factors that underlie why parents, especially mothers, commit acts of violence against children, including stress factors, past trauma, etc. The consequence of these acts of violence can be physical or psychological and even death. The increase in cases of violence against children is caused, among other things, by the lack of attention from parents to their children. Many parents are now busy themselves, lack of communication with their children. Solution to overcome violence against children: 1. Find out. First, we can find out and understand the types of violence, and the risks that might be accepted. Find out and share what makes children feel safe and what makes them uncomfortable. 2. Prioritize safety. Prioritize safety and protection from all forms of violence or sexual abuse against children, anywhere and anytime. Ensure the best interests of children and young people. 3. Alert. Stay alert to the potential dangers that will befall your child, whether due to environmental conditions, people around, or yourself. Find out how to respond to the potential danger of violence or harassment. 4. Be careful. Be introspective and continue to add information related to the rights of children. Is also one of the certain obligations by parents and those close to them. Position a child in a balanced relationship because children also have rights that we must fulfill. 5. Report. Watch for signs of child abuse. Then, immediately report it to someone you trust. You can also contact a protection focal point such as the National Commission for Child Protection, Komnas HAM Anak, or the nearest government official. Okay, thus a brief explanation of the solution to overcome violence against children. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day. Goodbye.